What are going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today we're playing Subway Surfers. Now, I don't care what Subway Surf. I'm not sure, okay? But let me show you. I played it for about 4 years now. When I got yesterday when I played, this was the last character. Wait, where is he? This was the last character I needed to get all of the characters, and I got all of the boards. So yeah. And don't ask me of my coins because I played along and I got coins and then yeah. But let me change my board because I need a better board. I'm gonna take this board and let's take the speed outfit because I need him. Now it's really fun because I got everything maxed. Now let's go. This score right here is my sister's score, so I'm trying to beat it. So yeah, I'm just trying to beat my sister's score. So hopefully I will beat it. And then I died. Just saving myself. For safety. Oh shoot. Let's go. Now why I took the speed outfit was because he's fast. He's faster than all of the other characters. So yeah.
Jag fick pengar så då fick jag.
Sorry guys, that was my sister. She's now unlocking stuff. So yeah. If you heard something, it was my sister, little sister, and I'm trying to beat her score. And yeah, let's. Oh, I failed again. Boom, boom. Oh, that was so close, man. Seriously? Now I have what's it called? Max jump, so I can jump high, as high as I can. I can jump this high. I have an upgrade that I can jump as high as I can. So yeah. So guys, that was my mom. I don't care. Intense multiplier. I have the updates, so yeah. Or I should have the update. Oh, I missed. No, not the shoes. Look how fast this guy is. Look. I'm just concentrating. Guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna get you back when I have got so close. So yeah, see you there, guys. Guys, I'm back. I'm getting closer and closer. I'm like I only need 13 million more, so I'm gonna just now let it be like this. So yeah, I've been for about now half an hour doing this just to beat my sister's score. So this has to get even some views. Not then. No, my phone. Don't. No, I can't concentrate. Box, let's go. Oh my god, 9,000. Why I use this hoverboard and this character because they're really fast and if not, it'll take a long time for me. So that's why. Come on. $6K. The good thing is that I get a lot of magnets now. Come on, 5 million. This is so. I'm like sweating so much right now. My hands are shaking. I suck with the jetpack. I suck with it so much. 2 million. I'm so sweaty and I'm shaking. And my hands are so shaky right now. Wait, what? Oh my god, only 5,000, 40,000, 30,000, 20,000, 19, 17, 16, 17. Yes! I did it! I'm just gonna kill myself. Yep, killing myself. Yes! Yes, my neck is so broken. That's good. Yes. High scores. Let's see where am I. Oh, first! My sister is called Karen. She wanted to be. She wanted to name her name Karen. Yes. Yes. Oh, I can't believe it. Did it. How many days is it left? 5 days. Week 193. I'm soon gonna do the weekly hunt. Soon when the weekly hunt is back, I'm gonna do it so you guys can see me doing it. Okay. I have all the characters, so that's good. No. You guys only use like these characters, the errant characters, they're really good. This guy's really good. The snowman guy's not that good. He's okay, but not the best one. Itchy is not good at all. Jenny is not also. Amiras is really good. And Joker outfit, he's really good. And nice and okay. Kim, the dive outfit is really good, but the coast is not. And Rex is not good, but the wind outfit is really good. Bjarki, he's a really good one. Power outfit. And then Ramona, she is really good. She is really, really good. And then the dino you can get from Facebook. And then Jake, he's easy to unlock. And Tricky, not easy at all. Spart is easy. And Tricky is also, I said wrong. Spike, you need 200 to unlock Spike, but then Utani, she's really hard to get. You have to collect 500 of those UFOs. Wait, what? Yeah? No. This is the guy I'm gonna use. Ninja. Wait, who did I use? Oh, yeah. Speed outfit. King, he is so good. Wanna know why? Because when it's King's Day, he does really good. Now, this one is good. My sister, wanna know how my sister got first place? And then she used the teleporter. It teleports you every time you switch. I don't know how to say it. And yeah, guys, that's it for this video. And as always, I will see you next time. Goodbye.